Hello and welcome to the 6th installment of my Python tutorial series. In today's video, we will be going over for loops. Now, what is a for loop? Well, loops in general is just a piece of code that keeps iterating and never stops until it returns false. And iterating means just keep going. So and for loop is one type of for loop, like one type of loop. There's also while loops, which we will be getting into the next video. So let me show you a simple for loop. Alright, so this is how a simple for loop is structured. You have the keyword for, followed by the integer that you want to declare. Well, you can just use any. You could use any variable for this. I just use x, and then the keyword in, and then this is where your for loop can change a lot. Is then the last statement in the last part of the for loop. So right now, this range and in brackets 10 is basically telling the computer that keep adding x until it reaches to 10, and then we're just gonna print x so we can visualize the entire process. So let's execute this code now. So as you can see, it did print. It print up to 9 because 10 is where it just stops. So yeah, this is how a basic for loop is structured. So we can also, for this range method, we can also we can make it as high as we want. Of course, if we go up to 40, it will print up to 39, and we can also print whatever we want, and then it will print 40 times. So we can also have so hold on, let me just give you an example. So right now, what these two are doing is that it's starting x is starting from the number 10, and it's ending off at 80. So if we just if we just print x, as you can see, it starts from 10 and it will end from 80. And then we can also change the incrementation each time. So let's say we want to change it to 2, and then it will go from 10 to 12 to 14 on, and to go on and on until 80. So that's basically what for loops are. We will be diving into even more depth when we get into arrays and lists, because you can do a lot with them with for loops as well. So yeah, that will be the end of this video. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.